Hey guys, I'm popping in here real quick to let you guys in on a last minute cruise alert. You will not believe how inexpensive this cruise is. This cruise itinerary sets sail from San Francisco to Vancouver, Canada. And I've never sailed with Princess and I've never been to Canada. So I am super excited to take this voyage. You won't believe how inexpensive this cruise is. Y'all ready? $78 a person. If you're able to join me on this last minute cruise, April the 30th through May the 3rd, that's next week, 1 week from today, April the 30th, May the 3rd, I'd love to see you guys on board. If you don't have the funds right now, there's an awesome program. It's called Uplift, which allows you to take your vacations now, pay for it over time. I've used Uplift several times and I just love the program. I believe if you can qualify for it, it is awesome. Just make sure you don't miss any payments and you're good to go. Thanks for stopping by. Talk to you later. Toodles.